Ever feel like you're just barely scraping by? Like no matter how hard you work, your money just seems to vanish into thin air. It's a common feeling and it's incredibly frustrating. You might be putting in long hours at your job, sacrificing time with family and friends, and yet when you look at your bank account, it feels like all that effort isn't paying off. The stress of living paycheck to paycheck can be overwhelming, and it can feel like there's no way out, like you're working so hard, but your money just seems to disappear. You might be wondering where it all goes. Bills, groceries, unexpected expenses, they all add up so quickly. And then there are the little things like that daily coffee or the occasional takeout meal, which can sneak up on you and drain your funds without you even realizing it. It's like trying to fill a bucket with a hole in the bottom. No matter how much you pour in, it never seems to fill up. Trust me, you are not alone. So many people are in the same boat, feeling the same stress and confusion. It's a widespread issue and it's nothing to be ashamed of. Financial literacy isn't something that's taught in most schools, and many of us are left to figure it out on our own. But the good news is you don't have to navigate this journey by yourself. There are resources, communities, and experts out there who can help you make sense of it all. So many people struggle with managing their finances, but the good thing is it doesn't have to be a struggle. With the right tools and knowledge, you can take control of your financial situation. It's about making small, manageable changes that add up over time. You don't need to be a financial expert to start making a difference in your life. All it takes is a willingness to learn and a commitment to taking action. In this video, I'm going to share some simple money tips for beginners that will help you take control of your finances and start building a more secure future. These tips are designed to be easy to understand and implement, even if you're just starting out. We'll, break down the basics and give you practical steps you can take right away. Whether you're looking to save more, spend less, or just get a better handle on where your money is going, we've got you covered. These are the exact steps I took when I was first starting out, and they can work for you too. I know firsthand how daunting it can be to face your finances head on, but I also know how empowering it is to take control. When I started my journey, I was overwhelmed and unsure of where to begin. But by following these simple steps, I was able to turn things around, and you can too. We'll cover everything from creating a budget and actually sticking to it, to tracking your spending, building an emergency fund, avoiding unnecessary debt, and even dipping your toes into the world of investing. Each of these topics is crucial for building a solid financial foundation. A budget helps you see where your money is going and ensures you're spending in alignment with your goals. Tracking your spending helps you stay accountable and make adjustments as needed. An emergency fund provides a safety net for unexpected expenses, and avoiding unnecessary debt keeps you from getting trapped in a cycle of high interest payments. Finally, investing allows your money to grow over time, helping you build wealth and secure your future. And even dipping your toes into the world of investing. Investing can seem intimidating, but it doesn't have to be. We'll break it down into simple, easy to understand concepts that will help you get started. Whether you're looking to invest in stocks, bonds, or other assets, we'll give you the information you need to make informed decisions. Remember, the goal is to make your money work for you so you can achieve your financial goals and build the life you want. No complicated jargon, no confusing financial terms, just straightforward advice that you can put into practice right away. We believe that financial education should be accessible to everyone, regardless of their background or experience level. That's why we've made it our mission to provide clear, actionable advice that anyone can follow. Our goal is to empower you with the knowledge and tools you need to take control of your finances and build a brighter future. Remember, taking that first step is the hardest part. It can be scary to face your finances and make changes, but it's also the most important step. Once you take that leap, you'll find that each subsequent step becomes a little easier. You'll start to see progress, and that progress will motivate you to keep going. It's a journey, and like any journey, it starts with a single step. But once you do, you'll be amazed at how much of a difference it makes. You'll start to feel more in control, more confident, and more optimistic about your financial future. The stress and anxiety will begin to fade, and you'll be able to focus on the things that truly matter to you. It's a transformative experience, and it's one that you deserve to have. Are you ready to transform your finances and start building the life you deserve? Let's do this. Together, we'll take the steps needed to create a solid financial foundation. We'll work through the challenges and celebrate the victories. This is your journey, and I'm here to guide you every step of the way. So let's get started and make your financial dreams a reality. A budget doesn't have to be your enemy. It's simply a plan for your money. Figure out how much is coming in and then decide where you want it to go. Knowledge is power. When you track your spending, you'd be surprised where your money actually goes. Use an app or even just a notebook. Build an emergency fund. Life throws curveballs, and it's crucial to be prepared for the unexpected. Whether it's a sudden job loss, a medical emergency, or an urgent car repair, having a financial cushion can make all the difference. Experts recommend having 3 to 6 months of living expenses saved up. This fund acts as a safety net, providing peace of mind and financial stability during tough times. Start small and gradually build your emergency fund by setting aside a portion of your income each month. Remember, the goal is to create a buffer that can help you navigate life's uncertainties with confidence. Avoid unnecessary debt. Debt can hold you back from your goals. Before you buy something, ask yourself, do I need this or do I just want it? Start investing early. Even small amounts invested consistently can grow significantly over time, thanks to the power of compound interest. Start today. So there you have it. We've covered a lot of ground today, and I hope you found these tips as valuable as I intended them to be. Whether you're just starting out on your financial journey or looking to refine your existing strategies, these simple yet effective tips can make a significant difference in your financial well-being. Those are my top simple money tips to get you started on your financial journey. From budgeting basics to smart saving strategies, each tip is designed to help you take control of your finances and build a more secure future. Remember, the key is to start small and stay consistent. Remember, it's not about being perfect, it's about making progress. Every little effort counts, and over time, these small steps can lead to significant changes. Just like climbing a staircase, each step brings you closer to the top, or like planting seeds in a garden with patience and care, you'll eventually see the fruits of your labor. Every small step you take gets you closer to your goals. Celebrate your achievements, no matter how minor they may seem. Each milestone is a testament to your hard work and dedication. Keep pushing forward and you'll be amazed at how far you can go. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Your support means a lot and helps me continue to create content that can assist you on your financial journey. Plus, it lets me know that I'm on the right track with the advice I'm sharing. And subscribe to my channel for more personal finance advice. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with the latest tips and strategies to manage your money better. I regularly post new content, so there's always something new to learn and apply to your financial life. And be sure to hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future uploads. This way, you'll be the first to know when new videos are available, ensuring you never miss out on valuable information that could help you achieve your financial goals. I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Your feedback and questions are incredibly valuable, not just to me, but to the entire community. Sharing your experiences and challenges can help others who might be going through similar situations. What are your biggest financial goals, whether it's buying a house, saving for retirement, or building an emergency fund? Sharing your goals can provide inspiration and motivation to others. Plus, it helps me tailor future content to better meet your needs. What are you struggling with the most? Financial challenges are a common part of life, and you're not alone. By sharing your struggles, we can work together to find solutions and support each other through tough times. Let's chat and support each other on this journey to financial freedom. Building a supportive community is key to achieving our financial goals. Together we can share tips, offer encouragement, and celebrate our successes. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.